guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Nike React Element 87. Daryl Matthews, the designer on this, came up with the idea with a slab of foam and a drill. I don't have any other shoes with that technology sole. I'm very curious to see these. I missed out on these the first time around. I couldn't let that happen again. So let's dive in and see what we got. Wow. So, I mean, first thing you're gonna see here is that translucent upper. I love being able to see through like that, so you better make sure your socks match your fit. The shoe is so light. I've never felt a trainer where it's been this light. I'm very curious to kind of work out in these and see how much support they really do give. Cork bottom. I know no one's gonna see it, but I like it, and for sneakerheads out there, we love little details like that. Pink stitching, green suede, and purple pattern underneath. I mean, these are loud, and seeing my other unboxings, you guys know, that's what I like. So, definitely a different sneaker. It's a lot of different colors, and I really don't know what I'm gonna wear with these yet, but I mean, that's a normal Tuesday for me. So, let me know what you guys think. Can't wait to hear. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.
I'ma keep chasing the money as far as I ever see. Had to keep my double core, feel like it was killing me.